Moving on, rice milling factories in Ahero and in Kibos in Kisumu County with a combined capacity of 6.5 tons per hour have offered farmers in Western Kenya and the impetus to boost production to reap from a ready market and in the process help Kenya drastically reduce imports. As Wycliffe Oketch reports, the acreage in irrigation schemes dedicated for rice farming is being doubled to enhance production and also income for farmers.
Kenya produces about 300,000 metric tons of rice annually against a consumption of 1 million metric tons, with the deficit imported. Mwea irrigation scheme accounts for about 80% of all rice produced in Kenya, with irrigation schemes such as Ahero, Hola, Pekera, Bunyala and West Kano. To reduce reliance on imports, water infrastructure is being improved at irrigation schemes where rice is grown to boost production.
Mwea has literally been expanded to the limit. So the action now shifts to the Western Kenya schemes.
If we can be able to do the entire area, the 16,000 acres, we'll be talking about 78,000 metric tons of paddy.
Western Kenya schemes comprising Ahero, West and Southwest Kano irrigation schemes have about 16,000 acres under rice, with plans to double the acreage to help push production to 80,000 metric tons annually. However, farmers in Western Kenya have not been reaping maximally due to market challenges occasioned by exploitation by unscrupulous business people.
Currently, we have a very, very big problem because the rice we have, we are selling them to buyers from Uganda. These people have a lot of monopoly. They dictate prices and they take everything in terms of even byproducts.
This is being addressed through construction of a rice milling factory in Kibos, Kisumu County that has a capacity of 4 tons per hour.
We are coming into the rice value chain to ensure that we are able to support our community in terms of better prices, in terms of good varieties of seeds, and also just to offer employment opportunities.
In addition, Kisumu County government is set to commission a 2.5 metric tons per hour milling plant in Ahero, Kisumu County.
As we continue to produce rice, then we must think about marketing. So we had to think about how this rice would be off-taken. And the governor did make a very deliberate decision to purchase a 2.5 ton per hour rice mill.
The rice milling plants in Ahero and Kibos are expected to support enhanced rice production, stabilize market prices and facilitate value addition.
We are going to mop up paddy rice from our farmers around and looking at the price at which the middlemen from Uganda pay and what we are going to pay as an authority. We are paying additional 15 shillings.
It is a way of also creating competition for the rice that is produced, so that at least now, because there will be several outlets around, farmers can be able now to choose whoever comes with a better price.
We are appealing to them, in case they want rice to mill, let them buy directly from the farmers at Ahero irrigation scheme.
Now the facility housed right in here is capable of milling up to 4 metric tons per hour. Now to benefit maximally from this new establishment, rice farmers from the region are urged to form or join the already existing cooperatives for better price negotiation for every kilogram of the paddy rice supplied here. For Prime Edition from Kisumu County, I am Wycliffe Oketch.